Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry for not uploading very well, but just let's meet my cat Fudge. I think he's about 6 years old now. My other cat, maybe she's 9 or 8, not sure. Fudgeax. He likes getting belly rubbed. Fudge, roll over. I'll be back in a sec when I get to roll over. Okay, here we go. Let's get a belly rub. Choo-choo, Fudgy. He's enjoying himself so much. Hello, my Mr. Fudgy. Oh my god, he's built himself up. Do it again, Fudge. So I can show the viewers. Oh, Fudge. Oh god. I thought he was going to swipe me. High five? No? Once again, guys, thanks for coming back to my channel. Sorry I haven't been uploading. Like and subscribe if you're new. So welcome back. But I'll see you in the next video. Bye.